All right, this is second part of chapter 3, test review, and I think we finished this one. So next one is from assignment number 28, review. So evaluating natural logarithm. So evaluate g of x, which is natural log of x, and indicate the value of x without using a calculator. So this is not the calculator question. So what we have to do here, there are two ways we can do. I do my way, okay? So let's write down in the log function, okay? If you see this, you learned natural log sign, which is this. So let me write down natural log sign. We can put the natural log both sides. So it's going to be natural log of x. Natural log means logarithm base e, okay? So same thing here. Natural log of e to -4, okay? Okay. So when you see this, you can cancel out, okay? Because this means log base of e, So e to what power is e? 1, right? So this is going to be 1. However, if there's another exponent over e, this one you can bring it to in front. So this means let me see if I can write this one. You can bring this one to the front, I told you. So it's going to be -4 on the front and multiply exponents. You can, this is a rule you can put on the front. This is 1. So natural log of x equal 1, equal -4 times 1. So I can rewrite this one times 1, which is -4. Okay, so that's the answer. So when they ask g of x, evaluate g of x is natural log of x, in case you plug in e to -4, the answer will come out -4. Okay, this is my way. This is, maybe I did slightly different way. I don't know which section I did. Maybe I wrote down different way. Slightly different way. Let's see. I don't have the page right now, but I believe -4 is right answer. I would do different way. This is more like textbook way. So textbook showing this, g of x is natural log of x. So, and they want you to evaluate. So I put this one, this information as it is. G of x, so it's going to be g of e2. Okay, I can't see this. Let me see. G to e2 negative exponents, sorry, exponents negative fraction 5 over 2 second power. Doesn't look like exponent, so let me go back. So I would keep this picture, it's a little better. Okay. And I erase this. Maybe I keep it somewhere else, this one, so I can go to the next one. Let's see. So this is a picture. When you plug in this, evaluate this to this equation. So just directly go into this one. Okay. So I go into this one and put the equal sign in front. And plug into this one, right? So natural log is log base e of this, right? It doesn't look like exponents again, so just make sure you understand this. All right, so what we can do, it's kind of ugly too. Doesn't look pretty. Let's see. Let me create the picture again. So which means it's, if you plug in this, okay, this is pretty. Okay. This means this. Okay. Put this on the side. This means this. So I just put the equal sign here, the bottom. Those two are separate questions. I just put this on the side. Make a line to separate this. Okay. So this information is this. Okay. So both of them, I believe both of them picture. Good. Now it's a picture. So you go this direction. Now, negative 5/2 is exponent. So you plug into the front. You can plug this one onto the front of this natural log of e. Okay. So in that case, let me write down this expression. Now I can use this one. Negative 2/5. I'm sorry, negative 5/2 can be front. So negative here. 5/2. Okay. Now natural log of e. So right hand side, this is natural log of e, which is you can cancel 2, 1 because log base e of e, right? So this answer is negative 5/2. I hope this is easy for you. Yeah, this is a process you have to know. So this is non-calculator question. Yeah, so this is the answer. Whichever this is answer is negative for this is answer is negative 5/2. Yeah. All right, next question. Okay. Expand and logarithm expression. In exercise 37 and 58, use the properties of logarithm to expand the expressions as a sum, difference, and or constant multiple of logarithm. Assume all variables are positive, okay? So when you see this natural log of 4x, so 4 times x, if it's 4 times x, all you have to do is you have to rewrite this. If its logarithm has multiplication right next to it, you have to add, okay? Like this is expression, okay? The equal sign. So this expression is equal to this, okay? Now, there is no multiplication here, but there's log base 8 and x to the 4th power. So 4 can be here, okay? So let me copy in this. So let's see. All you might have to do is 4 onto the front. That's all you can do. 4 log base is still 8. So 8 to x. Okay, this is the expression. The only idea is move the 4 onto the front. So it doesn't look pretty. So just put the multiplication sign so it might be easy for you to look at it. Okay. All right. If fraction, if which is division, right? 5 minus x, all we have to do is, if it's multiplication, it's going to be add. If it's division, it's going to be subtraction. Okay, so let me see. So I will choose this one. Log base 5 of the numerator. So this is log base 5. The numerator is also 5. So I put 5 here. And same thing here. Log base is 5. And of x. Now, log base 5 of 5. 5 to what power is 5? On first power, right? So left-hand side, you have to change to 1. So I will cut and paste here. And change this one to 1. Okay. I hope you understand the process. Okay, let's do 43. Maybe I should separate this. Okay, so this one goes here. Oh, sorry. This one is here. This one is here. This one is here. Okay. Let me cut and paste. Oh, sorry. Cut and paste 45 a little down. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, now move this one a little bit down here. And we only use this space for 40, okay, maybe 45 and 43, maybe I put in different space. 43 too. Yeah, so let me cut and paste these to next page. All right, so right hand side is 45 and left hand side is 43. This is also from your homework. But take a look. One thing you have to do first is rewrite this one with without square root sign. Okay, without square root, natural log base is e, right? So natural log base is e and z to half power. So I write down half here. I don't know if this one come out very clean, so let me see if I can cut and paste this equation. Let's cut and paste. So see, it doesn't come out pretty, so I use that picture instead. Yeah. Now, so this is the expression. Natural log base is e and of z to negative half power, negative 1/2 second power, which is square root 2. Now the rule is you can put this one to the front. Okay, this one, if it's exponents, you can put on the front here. Okay, so let me use this equation and put the equal sign. So, and as I told you, you can plug in half here and erase the exponents. This is exponent. Okay. Right, next question, 45. Okay, now it's again multiplication. X times y times z squared. Square goes to only z squared. So you really have to write down this one if it's multiplication to the addition. So let's write down this is so natural log of x plus x plus natural log of y plus natural log, natural log of z to the second power. Okay? This is the first step you have to write down. Now, if it's again, if this is second power, the rule is you can plug this one into the front here. So let me rewrite everything. And second power can be in the front. Two. And I just put the multiplication sign. Okay, this is it. All right, so this is two questions. All right. All right, this is, it become big number, but let's do quick. So first you see this, it's negative half power goes to only this x. So you can divide 6 both sides. You can pause the video and you can do your own. So if you divide by 6 both sides, it's going to be, oh, this is a picture. It's not equations. Oh, sorry. Let me grab the equation. Okay, so this is going to be, if you divide by 6 both sides, it's going to be x2. Let me see. Can't see this. X2 negative half power, maybe. Negative half power. So negative half power. I wonder if it doesn't come up clean. Negative half power equal to, doesn't look like negative half power. So this, let me divide by 6, which is 16. If you divide by 6, 6, it's going to be 16 here. All right. So let me use this picture instead. Okay. I'll just use this later. Okay. How can I get rid of this? You have to how can I make it positive 1? You have to multiply another power to negative 2, right? So reciprocal. So what I can think about is you can use a pen tool to write this. Oh, sorry. It's thinner. Okay. 2 negative second power. If you do negative second power, you have to do exactly the same thing as negative second power here. All right. It doesn't look pretty, so I just put 2, type 2. All right, both of the side has negative second power. Okay. Now, this one cancel, so it's going to be x is going to be left hand side. This one? X is going to be left hand side. This side is going to be 16 to negative second power lives. That will be the answer. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. 16 to negative second power. So negative exponent doesn't become negative number. Instead, we put the fraction Yeah, fraction. And 1 on the numerator, 16 on the denominator, and positives to power. Okay. 16 times 16 is 256, I believe. You can make sure 16 times 16 on calculator, but this is non-calculated section. Okay. 256. Yeah. Okay. And you can plug in to here, and if it makes sense, 1 over 256 the answer. Okay. Let me move on. If I can finish this. Okay, I don't know how many more. Oh, there are more. Okay, I paused the video here. And how many more pages? Okay. I do this one and let's take a break. All right. So I think it's similar to the beginning question. This 81 to 3 over 4th power. So you have to deal with 81 to the 1/4 power first. Okay. 81 to 1/4 power first. Then you have to multiply, not multiply, to the 3rd power. I wonder if it comes on clear. Oh, came up nicely. Okay, 81 to the 1/4 power. Okay, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? So this inside of the parenthesis has to be 3. This is 3 to the 3rd power. Okay? Equal to 3 to the 3rd power. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. That's it. Okay. So, okay, so this is the end. There are 2 questions left, so I will make one more video. Okay. Let me pause the video here.